Welcome back, my students. I'm Ellie, and today we're going to be practicing words that don't sound the way they're spelled. So let's get started. EW says ew, new, flew, but this word is pronounced so. It has the EW ending, but it's pronounced O. So, kernel, 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 kernel. There are two kernels. This one is called a kernel, and this one is a kernel. Kernel, kernel. Debt, debt, debt. I think I've mentioned this word before in the silent letters video, but it's good to practice again. Debt. Receipt, receipt, receipt. Again, that P is silent. Receipt, receipt. Recipe, recipe, recipe. This is one of those words that doesn't follow that E rule. E at the end usually changes the vowel to a long vowel sound. So it should say recipe, but it doesn't. It's pronounced recipe. Recipe, recipe. This next word, I always have a problem spelling because I always forget the G, which is also a silent letter. Phlegm, phlegm, phlegm. That phlegm, ugh, and the PH is making an F sound. PH says f, like in phone. Isn't English fun? I've also talked about the silent K with KN sounding like an N. This word is pronounced knead, knead. Students usually have problems with this word. It's pronounced choir. That CH is qua, like in QU, choir. Isn't English fun? Let's practice. K-w-I-R, choir, choir, choir. Now the next word is even crazier because in the US we say salmon, but in Europe I always hear salmon, 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 salmon. You know what time it is? That's right. It's time to say all of the words again together. Remember, repeat after me. New, new, flew, flew, so, aha. Kernel, kernel, debt, debt, receipt, receipt, recipe, recipe, phlegm, phlegm, knead, knead, choir, choir, salmon, salmon. Next week I'll have another video for you, and the English Exposed video is coming out this weekend. So make sure you click that bell to get notified. It's coming soon. And I said I had some exciting news. If you have been watching my Instagram or looking at the community tab, you know that I have some exciting news. And that is I've turned my children's story, The Seeker of Things, into an ebook and a physical book. So if you'd like to read a story that is funny and fun and written by me, you can learn more about that by following me on Instagram or my community tab. Okay, my students, that's it for today. I'll see you next week. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.